Hey guys. Bit of white over here. Then you gotta change the words as well. Change the color a bit light. I think that's good. It's looking good, guys. All right. So the next thing we have to do, we need the bell notification icon. So this is the bell notification icon. You drop it in, and then we scale it down up to here. All right, so let's remove this white background. All right, because we don't need anything disturbing us, so anything like that. All right, so just a minute. Just a little, just a few moments. All right, so here you press key and you drop on the color key and you just remove this. All right, so when you change the view, we've got something like this. So you have to scale this down, not so much, but do scale it down. All right, at the same viewpoint, draw another rectangle over here. All right, but it should look nice. Then move it down and we have our icon inside, but we have to change the roundness. So come back to rectangular path and still adjust the roundness. We don't want it to be so we want it to look nice. Okay, generally we want it to look nice. So you could adjust the height a bit such that it's not so square. All right, I think this is looking nice, guys. I think this is looking nice. All right, so after we have something like this, the next thing we have to do is open up a new composition. All right, now this is where animation is gonna be. So you get the first button, it's this, okay? And we need our mouse, which is right over here. I got this PNGs from the internet. You guys could get them as well. So drop a color key here and put them here, but I got them for you. If you want them, you can just get them in the description down below. Yeah, so we are having this good looking mouse over here. The next thing we're gonna do is to animate this, okay? So we have to move that mouse. So you move the frames down and come like to 20 frames, hit position and come to 20 frames, click the icon, come back and move it down, because this is where we want it. All right, move this a little bit, highlight and easy ease. All right, so let's see what it's going to look like from over here. All right, you're gonna see what it's gonna look like, because we have to make sure the animations are perfect. So let's first drive it from a third here or a quarter. All right, it's kind of slow, so you move it closer. We move it closer, highlight them and come here, change this, move it down. Yeah, so then we have something like this. Looks nice, guys. Then we have to scale it down a bit. It looks too big for me. It looks too big. Yeah, just after you scale it down, bring it back here and just move that where we want it. All right, so all right, now that's looking good, guys. That's looking good. So the next thing we have to do is the place here, when it reaches here like this, move just a couple frames, and that's when we bring in our second button, our button 2, and you drop it here. All right, you have to overlay it, okay? You scale it up a bit such that it covers the other button in the background. Yeah, so the next thing you have to do is simple. Let's first move this off, come here. When this comes here, hit P for position and put the position there, move a couple of frames and move it to the side a little bit. Yeah, just move it to the side a little bit, not so much, just move it a little bit to the side. Yeah, so highlight this, right click and easy ease. All right, yeah, then but move them a bit close such that it has some quite a faster movement. Yeah, then open the graph and adjust this. Yeah, all right, yeah, that's looking nice. So you turn this back on and you have to make sure you align this in the same position such that it's overlaying the other composition. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to link this to this. All right, you have to link the two, so we having something moving like this. Get the mouse and put it on top. You can change this and call it mouse. Okay, yeah, now it's on top. So all we have to do when it reaches here and it presses, that's when it moves. Then that's when we get the opacity of this and change it as it is moving, like over here, and turn this to 100%. Yeah, then highlight, right click, easy ease. Then you could adjust this a little bit. to give it a smooth movement. Yeah, so when it comes here, yeah, now all we have to do is time it. We have to time it. We have to time it to look like someone is really clicking. Okay, so all right, that looks good. Yeah, so the next bit is where you have to put in the sound to make it feel like someone is really clicking. All right, yeah, you just put in the sound and it will feel amazing. It's already looking nice. All right, so then the next bit of it, after you're done clicking here, you have to move the mouse